Hello everyone, this is Shubhangi, and for the first time I am representing Servosart in a video because I want everybody to know about these products that we have. I want everybody to be aware about the benefits that we have in these clay utensils. So just for that purpose only, ये जितने लोगों तक पहुंचेगा उतना अच्छा है, जितने लोग इसको यूज़ करेंगे उतना अच्छा है. नॉट जस्ट, आई एम नॉट सेइंग दैट यू आर ओनली सपोज टू बाय फ्रॉम मी. नहीं, मिट्टी के बर्तन आर वेरी हेल्पफुल, वेरी वेरी हेल्थ बेनिफिशियल, and they are good to use. They are very easy, they are eco friendly, they are made in India. So why don't we bring these utensils into our kitchen? Why don't we go ahead and try to bring something back which is from the very ancient times? एंड अगर मैं आपको इसके फ़ायदे बताऊं तो सबसे पहला फ़ायदा यही है कि खाने की न्यूट्रिशियस वैल्यू को अगर कोई 100% तक बरकरार रखता है तो वो सिर्फ़ और सिर्फ मिट्टी के बर्तन हैं. सेकेंड कम्स इज कॉपर या फिर वो जो तांबे के बर्तन होते हैं ये वाले. बट प्लास्टिक एंड ये aluminium, these are very bad for your health. You should not use them. In fact, in a research it says that a person's kitchen is 80% plastic. So we should avoid using plastic as much as we can, and also we should go ahead and step forward in buying and letting others know about the benefits of some clay products. So here I am with some of the clay products. I'll tell you the prices, किस इसकी क्या कॉस्ट है. आपके पॉकेट फ्रेंडली भी हैं और हेल्दी भी हैं, इको फ्रेंडली भी हैं, और अ लॉट ऑफ, इफ़ यू सी मिट्टी के बर्तन में बहुत 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 ज़्यादा वैरायटी है, बहुत 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 ज़्यादा फ़ायदे हैं. ठीक है, सो लेट्स स्टार्ट फ्रॉम द बेसिक रूटीन. चाय या फिर कॉफ़ी या फिर दूध. आजकल ठंड है तो गर्म दूध भी लोग बहुत ज़्यादा प्रेफर करते हैं. सो हियर आई एम विद सम ऑफ द मग्स, मिल्क मग्स, कॉफ़ी मग्स या फिर टी कप्स, एवरीथिंग. So let me show you a few of them. Here I have this. This is a glass. You can use it as a glass, you can use it as a coffee mug or whatever you want to. So this is purely made of clay. It is lead free. Okay, it does not have lead into it, and also it is doctors approved. All right. So this individual glass, if you want to buy it, it just comes in 80 rupees per glass. Okay, so we have more. This is a brick milk mug. Do you see the design over here? It is a brick shaped mug, and you have a handle over here to hold it. You can use it as a coffee mug. So we have this, and this is 100 rupees each. We have this. If you see the design, it is very good looking, very light weighted and easy. You can enjoy your tea. It gives earthen flavor, it gives earthen smell to you, and आपको बिल्कुल वैसे ही लगेगा जैसे आप कुल्हड़ में चाय पीते हैं, तो एक अलग स्वाद आता है. So it is the same way. So we have this design as well. This is glazed design. This is also a mug, and we have this is a glass. You can use it as a glass for shakes, for milk, for water, or anything. Then we have this mug. This is also glazed, if you see. And there is one more glass. It has a shape. Then we have a very beautiful mug over here. This. All these mugs and cups that you see which are glazed, they are 150 each, and the plain mugs which are not glazed, they are 100 rupees each. So we have a huge variety of mugs and cups. I'll show you some cups. This is a cup set of 6 pieces, and any set which you want to buy. These are glazed cup sets and they are 350 rupees each set. Okay, and if you want to buy plain cups, they are 300 rupees for 6 cups, a set of 6 cups. Then we have these cups, beautiful design. And if you want to buy some plain cups, they come like this. You see, very beautiful, very easy to handle. No, we have this. These are small cups for tea, those who like. And we have a cooler style cup as well. This is 160 ml cup. These are plain, they come under 300 rupees only. A set of 6 cups is for 300. If you want to buy, go ahead and order. The number is 9899021307. I'll repeat, the number is 9899021307. Then we have these cups, if you see. So there is a lot of variety of the cups, and also we have some painted cups which are like this. This is a cooler shaped cup and it is painted with a very beautiful black and golden paint. You can order these as well. This will be a set of 6 cups for 350 only. Okay, so thank you for watching, thank you for enjoying, and hope you order. Bye bye.